Sanjay is asking, can we go with option buying with the intraday, trade guidelines? Yeah, you can actually. You can. There is no issue that should prevent you from going for option buying. And keep your duration small, trade duration, and also have a time stop, right? So, what is a time stop? Let's say you are buying here, right? Sorry, here, like market has pulled back to VWAP and now you're deciding to buy here. Now, either the market can choose to go up nicely, strongly, and then your trade will work out without any issues. Let's say it chooses to spend time here, and then later on, maybe after 12, it decides to rally. So it decides to spend almost hour and a half here. What will it do to your premiums? It will drop, all right? So even if you're using intraday trading guidelines, there's nothing wrong with that. You can use it for option buying also. But if the time taken is becoming too much, then you should look for maybe exit the trade, scratch the trade, and come back again. How would you use time? So how would I use time is, in the Elliott wave days, there was a concept, all right? So let's say we are in a complex correction and market is going lower. So you find out these swing highs and swing lows, all right? Something like this, and then there is not much in terms of swing highs here. And then what you do is you find a time taken to get above or break out above the latest or last swing high. So let's say we do something like this. So here we took a lot of time to come down this last leg, but we repair it in lesser time and in a dynamic fashion. So if this happens, all right, Elliott wave traders would conclude that this correction pattern is over. We are likely to move higher. So something similar should happen here. Now, let's say you buy here, okay? This is the lowest low, and you may have bought here also, but you have to look at the lowest low. And this is the last swing high, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars we took to come down. Now, if we break out in, let's say, 2 or 3 bars and we close above this with such kind of dynamic candles, then even if you have bought here, okay, it works. Okay, it should work. But if it, kind of fails here and continues to move sideways, then probably what will happen is the time value will start eating into your trade profits. And especially on expiry days, it can be much worse, right? But if you get some dynamic moves that is happening right now on the chart, I think that will that is okay. Then you can look for a trade.